How to disable read receipts on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Click on three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines at the bottom right here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, scroll down and click on Privacy and Safety. And here, scroll down and click on Read Receipts. And you'll find Show Read Receipt. Simply turn it on. After you turn it on or turn it off, people won't be able to see when you've read their messages, and you won't be able to see when they've read yours. And this is how to disable read receipts on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.